up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kiwi for those of you guys that are new here, and today we're going to be talking about we're going to be doing like my quick everyday natural heading out the door makeup, because I'm literally getting ready to go in like an hour, so I need to do my makeup so I can go. So I figured I would film, chit chat, and talk while I am getting ready. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing my like natural makeup, simple everyday out the door, like quick 5-minute makeup routine. Honestly, well, not 5 minutes, it's probably like, it's no more than 10 minutes makeup routine. And we're also going to be talking about how we can fix my dying channel with my dead channel, how my channel died, and all this kind of stuff. So we're going to be talking about all of that in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yes, I'm getting the hang of saying that because y'all know I'm used to saying Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this video. I'm going to start out with my brows. I'm just using this LA Colors brow tint, and all I really do is just fill in my brows with it. I don't like line my brows or anything, I just fill it in. Yeah, so we're just gonna talk about how my channel died and why is it dead and why I feel this way and how I'm gonna bring it like pretty much back to life, like how to fix a dying channel. As you guys know, I've been on YouTube for 6 years, and I say on again and off again for 6 years because sometimes I'll come and I'll upload consistently, and then other times I'll take like 3 to 4 months off and not upload. So I mean, you can't really do that with YouTube and expect to grow, you know. So that's pretty much how my channel ended up getting mixed up and not growing as rapidly as other channels, because some people, they actually put all of their time and effort into it, and they actually like were very, very consistent with me, like I mean consistently on YouTube. So I myself, I mean, I started this YouTube channel when I was in college, so that kind of explains why I wasn't as consistent, because of all of that. So but anyway, so that's pretty much what happened with my channel, and I think that it pretty much just got, like, YouTube itself now is just really saturated, especially like in the makeup field, just YouTube in general, because everybody is seeing YouTube as like a quick paycheck. So they're putting up videos, starting to make videos because everybody else is doing it, and then when they actually see like all the hard work and time and effort that goes into YouTube, and it's not a easy quick check, you know, and that you really don't get paid unless you have like that following or the views, and or if you making money outside of YouTube like I do, because like honestly, I've talked about this before, and I'll do this in another video. So this is really like not about the money, but if you guys want to know more about that, then we can talk about that in another video. Then people see that, and then they realize that, okay, maybe this isn't for me, but the videos are already there, so it's already like saturated or whatever, you know. YouTube is just really oversaturated. It's like millions and probably even billions of people on YouTube, so it's really hard for like your videos to get out there. And then being that YouTube literally changes the algorithm like every other month. But for real, they change so much stuff on YouTube like every single month that it's just beyond ridiculous. And with their algorithm, like at one point in time it was like you had to upload every single day, but now it's like you don't really have to upload every day, but you do have to stay consistent. And then even with their algorithm now, like 10% of my subscriber count probably don't even get my videos. Like 10% of my subscribers probably won't even see this video pop up in their news feed with YouTube's new algorithm. So that's another reason why it is like dying and all that kind of stuff. Honestly, I've gotten to the point to where I just don't care anymore, because I'm gonna still consistently upload. I'm still going to, you know, upload on my channel consistently. Obviously, I added a new day, and I asked you guys on the community tab. And if you guys don't know what the community tab is, because I do talk about that a lot in my videos, all you have to do is just go to my page, my YouTube page, and click the community community, the tab that says community, and that's the community tab. And we always like communicating. I ask you guys stuff there. We take polls, all kinds of stuff like that, and I get a lot of feedback from you guys there. So I really like to use that tab because I get feedback for you guys there. So I asked you guys a few days ago like how you guys were liking the fashion videos. Do you like the fashion videos? Do you want to see more fashion videos? Some of you guys said yeah you do. Well, actually only like 2 people responded. It did get likes, but it didn't get that many response. So the people that did respond did say they liked the fashion videos, and they did say that they want to see more fashion videos, and they were just like some people were giving me like video ideas and things like that. So I really appreciate that, and I do want more video ideas just to kind of see like what you guys want to see on the channel, you know, just to kind of see what you guys want to see. And do you guys like the thrifting videos? Because I myself have really like, I want to make more videos of what I watch. And I know, not saying that I'm gonna be like copying off of people, because it's still gonna be like original type of videos, but I want to make more of videos that I like to watch. So I like to watch thrifting videos, I like to watch Shane Dawson videos, but I'm not gonna make conspiracy videos, because even though I love watching conspiracy videos, I am just too creepy to actually talk about that kind of stuff on the internet. Like, I just really am, because I watch too much TV. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So I definitely want to be making conspiracy videos, but maybe like reacting to Shane Dawson conspiracy videos, or testing out some of his conspiracies and stuff like that. Like, I'll probably do stuff like that, or I'll do like I said, I want to do more thrifting videos. And some of you guys were saying that you want to see more fashion videos than just on Fridays, which is cool with me, because I actually like doing the fashion videos. I know I'm still gonna do them on Fridays, but I probably will do more on throughout the week, like on Tuesday or Wednesday or so. So I'll probably do more throughout the week, since you guys are liking the fashion videos. But let me know how you guys would feel about that. And then, like I said, we just honestly just trying to stay consistent, because with YouTube, they are like, if you're not consistent, you might as well not even do it, to be honest with you guys. If you're not consistent on YouTube, I know y'all probably like, what the word are you putting on? But I'm putting on this, and y'all, if you guys have seen like the 100 million videos that I did with this powder, you know that it goes on really dark and then it kind of changes. But yeah, so what was I saying? Oh, but you just have to be consistent. And then with YouTube's algorithm, like, if you are consistent, it's gonna show up in the newsfeed. Like, it's definitely gonna show up. It may take some time, but it is gonna show up. So that's kind of like my biggest thing that I'm working on right now, is just trying to be consistent with my channel and my uploads, and trying to stick to a schedule. I was trying to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. but that really didn't work out that much for me. Well, not that it didn't work out for me, because the days worked out fine, because I'm still uploading on those days, but uploading at 6 o'clock probably wasn't the best idea for me, because every time I would try to get it up at 6 o'clock, something would happen and I couldn't get it up at 6 o'clock. Like, I wouldn't get home till like 7 or 8, so I couldn't get the video up in time. And like, some of the videos I was able to get up at 6 o'clock, and some of them I wasn't. So I think I'm gonna push the upload time back to about 8 o'clock. Hopefully that's not too late. I'm probably gonna do a poll before I actually do it and see. So definitely keep an eye out on the community tab, so you guys can see, you know, what we do with that stuff. So I want to do more of what I like. I want to do more of what you guys want to see as well, and I just want to have fun with it, like I do. Because I mean, if you think about it, back when we were getting thousands and thousands of views on the videos, and we were like it wasn't that many people on YouTube. So now that it's a lot of people on here, we have to just work harder and try to get my channel out there. So definitely subscribe, because I do want to get to 10K before the summer. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe. And to be honest with you guys, the only, how can I put this, numbers on YouTube are so tricky. Like, you would think the subscriber count really matters, but honestly it doesn't. Again, with YouTube's algorithm, it really doesn't. If you have the views, then the subscriber count honestly doesn't matter. Because there are people out here that have way less subscribers than I have, and they're getting thousands of views on their videos, whereas me, I'm only ranging in like 100 and something, you know. You guys always comment YouTube promotes who they want to promote. I honestly truly believe that, because like I said, there are people out here that have smaller channels than me and they're getting more views than me, and I've been on YouTube longer, and like in some cases my content is better. Not trying to be shady, and I mean it in the most humbling way, but it's the truth, you know. And it is what it is. That's why I say, like, I can't keep worrying about the algorithm, and just those are just the ways that I'm gonna try to fix it, and just hope that it gets better. Hope that it gets better. But honestly, my channel is dead, and I'm just trying to bring it back to life. And yeah, hopefully you guys can help me out, and you guys can help me out with this. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed and you like what I do on my channel, subscribe. Click the subscribe button. I know you guys hear me stuffing, I'm like all congested. But stuffing, I know you guys hear me sniffing, that's what I was trying to say. But if you guys are watching this and you're not subscribed, then definitely subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified. If you guys are watching this and you have like a video idea that you want to see me do, then leave it in the comment below. And those are just ways that you guys can help me out with this, because I want to grow on YouTube, I really do, but it's just not my biggest priority right now. Like, I just want to, I want to have fun with it. I don't want to be so caught up in the numbers and the, you know, trying to grow it so much. I just want to have fun and put up the content. So sometimes you guys may see those Shane Dawson reaction videos I talked about. Sometimes you guys may even see a mukbang here and there. You just may see anything, you never know. I just don't want my channel to just focus on beauty anymore. I'm still gonna do makeup videos, I'm still gonna do makeup reviews and things like that. I just don't want that to be the only thing that I'm doing. So beauty and fashion is definitely my go-to with my YouTube channel at the moment. But I do want to branch off and do more, so definitely more vlogs, more shopping videos, more thrifting videos, thrift with me, thrift flips, thrift hauls, just a bunch of different stuff that I like to watch, that I like to do. I'm going to bring it to the channel and share it with you guys. So that's pretty much it. That is how we're going to fix this dying channel, or this dead channel, and why my channel is dead and things like that. So I hope you guys like these little chit chat get ready with me videos. Yes, I did a quick, easy, simple makeup routine that you can do honestly day to day. This is just so simple and so easy. It lasts all day and it looks flawless and glam. So I love it. I do this all the time, and yeah, you can't beat it. You know, you can't beat it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, turn on your notifications and all of that good stuff. And yes, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.